In a unique blend of tradition and faith, farmers in Koppal district has turned to a centuries-old folk practice in the hope of bringing much-needed rain to the region, which is currently facing a significant rainfall deficit. A performance of Virata Parva Pauranik, a traditional leather puppet folk art, was organized in Halageri village of Koppal district. The performance was staged by the Sillicator family and witnessed by Padma Shri awardee folk artist Bhimavva. The event was organized by local farmers who believe that performing the folk art during a dry spell can help bring rain. Koppal district has received less rainfall than usual this season. Farmers had already undertaken sowing operations on a large scale, but the region has gone nearly a month without significant rainfall. The prolonged dry spell has created anxiety among farmers as rain is crucial both for completing sowing activities and for sustaining crops that have already been planted. According to a belief passed down through generations, whenever rains fail, farmers organize a performance of the leather puppet play Virata Parva Pauranik, also known as Killekyata. There is a strong belief among the farming community that rainfall occurs within 3 days of the performance. Farmers say that in the past, whenever the Virata Parva Pauranik leather puppet show was staged during a period of drought, rain followed shortly thereafter. The situation has been further complicated by changing weather patterns. Climate change is believed to have affected natural rainfall cycles, resulting in reduced monsoon rainfall this year. Although pre-monsoon showers brought rain to parts of Koppal district, monsoon rains have remained largely absent since the end of last month. The rainfall deficit has affected agricultural operations across the district. Only 38% of the sowing target has been achieved so far. Official figures show that Koppal district was expected to receive 21.2 mm of rainfall during the past week, but only 6.3 mm was recorded. With rainfall remaining scarce, farmers have been looking anxiously to the skies, hoping for relief. Amid these challenging conditions, the farming community has placed its faith in a long-standing cultural tradition. By organizing the Virata Parva Pauranik leather puppet performance, farmers are hoping that history will repeat itself and that the age-old ritual will bring the rains needed to support agriculture in the region. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.